Hi everyone, just like the title of this video say, I will be discussing about augmented assignment statements. So augmented assignment statements is the combination of operators and an assignment statement. What I'm going to show you, or I'm going to show you what I meant by that. First, I'm going to start creating a file and I'll name it augmented.py. Then let's say we have this example, Paul is equals to 10 and apple is equals to apple plus 5. Then say print apple. Doing this, we can reassign the result of apple plus 5 to apple again. Then if we run this file, we will get 105. Oh, I mean 15. Then let's go back. Now you might be asking where is the augmented assignment thing is. The augmented assignment thing, just like I said, is a combination of operators and an assignment statement. Then to make this statement as a augmented assignment statement, we will do it like this. Basically, just by looking at it, you can tell that it is just the short form of this statement. See? And I'll try to comment this one out, then try to run the file again, and you should see that the result is the same. See, just I told you. Augmented statements or augmented assignment statements can also be done on subtraction, like this one. Sorry, like this one. Just to show you again. See, it's 5. Can also be done on multiplication. 50. Can also be done with division. 2.0. Can also be done with modulo, but I'll try to change this to 4 so we can get a remainder. So the answer should be 2. Okay, and can also use this to raise it. So 10 raised to 2 should be 100. Then if we run this one, that's it. So there are other operators you can use. If you want, you can search on Google and see the Python docs about it. So I think that's it for now, and just like the previous video, this is a quick video, and I hope I was able to share something good again. Thank you and bye-bye.